Morning, guys. It's a lovely Wednesday morning. Today is 13th of May 2026, and this is what we had yesterday. This is what we were looking at. Yesterday was also a win for us. If you took this trade with me, it was a win. This is how we traded yesterday. That was trade day 6, 5 wins out of 6, 5 winning days out of 6. So this is how we took the trade. We're looking for potential sales below this level. Yeah. This candle give us a signal for a sell. Once this candle closed below our level, you see it had good momentum. This is what I talk about. This is what I mean when I talk about momentum. This candle closed with good momentum, bearish momentum, because it opened here. Try to push up, very small wick. And see, very small wick. Pushed all the way down. Very small wick also on the lower side. Very small wick, showing that this tells you that the buying pressure was very minimal. So this was a signal for us that it's time to start looking for sells. So after this candle, this is where I placed my sell limit. Limit here. It was activated by this candle here at 1 p.m. That's why I tell you patience is also part of this game. Because I placed this was at this candle closed at 9 a.m. My sell limit was activated at 1 p.m. So we took the market down to TP1, TP2, 3 and 4. It was hit at 6 p.m. This was after the CPI data was out. CPI data came out, it was good for the dollar. Green, it was good for the dollar. Let me show you. The CPI data was good for the dollar. Inflation was yeah. Inflation is in check. So the CPI came out. The forecast was 0.3. It came out as 0.4. It was good for the dollar. This one, the forecast was 0.6, actual 0.6, 3.7, 3.8. This was good for the dollar. So when it's good for the dollar, any pair with gold USD is selling, GBP USD selling, USD JPY must have been buying. USD JPY is what happened. GBP USD, GU was also selling. So is what happened. So, and this is what pushed the market down. The data came out at 3:30. Yeah. 3:30 p.m. Yeah. Came out at 3:30. Pushed the market down to take profits. So for the buys, we didn't get any buy. We didn't get any confirmation for a buy, any signal for a buy. So this is how we took the market yesterday. That was win number 6, win number 5, day number 6. Okay. So real quick, let's look at what we have today. First, we look at the news. Any high impact news on the USD? Yeah, we have PPI. This week is all about high impact news. We had the CPI, PPI, NFP last week. So today is the PPI. PPI is also somehow volatile. PPI is somehow volatile. So expect some volatility at the 3:30 p.m. if you're in the market and you don't have you don't know how to trade this news, stay out of the market or close your position or bring your stop loss to break even, or lock in some profits, or just stay out of the market completely at 3:30 p.m. until the volatility settles. We also have the Fed chair nomination vote. Uh, the forecast is a pass, but we don't know if it will actually pass or fail. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see once that is done. But you see, it's tentative. Mhm. The US Senate will vote to pass or reject the nomination of Kevin Walsh as Federal Reserve Chairman for a term May 26th to May 30th. Remember, Jerome Powell is about to exit the stage, so they are voting for, the Senate is voting to pass or reject the nomination of Kevin Walsh as the Fed chair. Let's see how that goes. So today also, trade carefully. Yeah. Risk manage your trades. Once you're in a trade, risk management is key. So real quick, let's remove all this. Start our analysis afresh. As always, our top-down analysis is from 1 month. Our resistance, we still have it there. Our support, we still have it down there. Jump down to the weekly. On the weekly, we have our support here. Our resistance is here. Remember, when you follow the candlestick anatomy, the candlesticks, that's this candle here, closed below this one and this one. So this is a break of structure. There's a break of structure here. So this is the highest this candle we have gone on the weekly for the last few weeks. Is the highest we've gone, because this candle came. This was a doji, didn't close above or below. This one opened here, closed below this one and this one. So there was a break of structure here internally. So this is why I'm picking this level here. But there's also this one to be, this level you should watch out for here. Don't forget this one. But for today, let's use this one. Let's use this level here. Okay. But you can still make it. Yeah. It's a level to watch out for. So on the daily, we pick our low. Our low is here. There's a support here. There's a break of structure here. Market came all the way up here. Our resistance is up here, daily. This is where our resistance is. That's already confirmed resistance on the daily. Here we can use the bodies. The daily, we could use the bodies, or let's use the wicks and use the bodies from 4 hours. On 4 hours, what are we looking at? On 4 hours, this is where we are. There's this internal break of structure here. The support, the resistance is up there. The support still here. We've not broken the structure down here, so the support is still down here. The support is on the 4 hours. Okay. And let's use the bodies here on 4 hours. So this, we are in between here on the 4 hours. On the 1 hour, jump down to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, what do you have? On the 1 hour, there was a break of structure here. So our 1 hour resistance is up here. 1 hour support down here. You can see this break of structure here. There's this doji, this candle came up, and this one closed all the way below here. This is a break of structure here. If it's not clear, you can always use a line. You see, yeah, there's this break here. There's a structure break there. You see that? Yeah. So our resistance is done here. That is on the 1 hour. Okay. On the 30 minutes. What do we have? Let's go back to 1 hour just for a few adjustments. Adjust this to the body here. Adjust that to the body there. And adjust this one to the body here. There. Okay. Jump down to the 1 hour. Jump down to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. What do we have? On 30 minutes is what you have. So our support is still up there. Our resistance is up there. The support is still down here. But you also have this resistance here. You can see market came down, pushed up. There's some resistance here. And it's been playing around here. You can see there's some resistance here. The 30 minutes. So let's pick that here. Is that resistance there for the 30 minutes? So let's see what you have on 15 minutes. Same. On 15 minutes, it's the same. Okay. So this is what I would do. I love to leave my analysis at 30 minutes. 15 minutes just for confirmation. But the 30 minutes is what I would do. Adjust this one to the body there. To the body there. Is the 8 a.m. candle, okay? I love to use my levels before 8 a.m. before this 8 a.m. Somehow through my trading experience, it works. It's something that works. It's a system that works. So this is where we're going to pick an entry from. There. If we get a good close above here, or we could also use here. If we get a good close above there, we would take the market up here. But let's just stick to that. And here we move the support to the body there. Our wick serves as our level. This is where I would want to pick an entry from for a sell. Even better yet, after level there. There. So 15 minutes. Maybe pick this level here. This is at 8 a.m. Okay, we'll stick to this level here. Let's stick to that level there. Let's stick to that level there. Now this here. Let's stick to the 15 minutes there. 30 minutes, I mean. Support there, resistance there. Support, resistance, potential buys. Potential buys above. Potential sells below. Okay, so potential buyers above, potential sales below. Uh, Levels to watch out for, or our targets if we get in a trade. On the sell side, that would be the first target, second target there. I would also want to see there's a level here. This week rejection there. You'll see it on 15 minutes, so I'll zoom it in for you. And then there's that level there. And finally, yeah, today is Wednesday. Trend continuation. We might continue the trend today. But remember, there is some tentative news today on the voting of the Fed chair, the nomination vote to either reject or pass Kevin Watt's nomination. So whenever there's high impact news, there's high volatility in the market. So these are the levels I'll be watching for today. Let's see on the 4 hours. On the 4 hours, okay. Okay. So we want to push the market down here, perhaps here. Yeah, it's the farthest I'm going to push the market. There's a fair value gap here. On the buy side. On the buy side. Okay, we get to that level there. We could push the market all the way up here. Okay. Yeah, we could push the market all the way up there. So back to our 30 minutes. Back to our 30 minutes. Back to our 30 minutes. This is where I'll take the trade from. Short position. If we get a candle closure below this level, we're going to take the market from here, push it all the way down here. Push it all the way down there. Stop loss just above this week here. Just above there. Okay. So that is for the sell. For the buys, long position. I'm gonna take it from here, push it all the way up to here. And stop loss just below this resistance here, below this support. So this is what we're looking at today. This is what I would be trading today. That's what I'll be trading today. So happy hunting, guys. Trade what you see, not what you think. Please manage your trades well, and see you tomorrow for a recap of the same. Ciao.